Get ready to learn 3 awesome yet often overlooked AI tools that are total game changers for creating viral content. No more endless hours of editing. These bad boys will have you pumping out top-notch videos in no time. And in return, get paid for your viral content on many platforms. We're talking videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. With countless AI tools available, it's challenging to figure out which ones are the best. But don't you worry, because for this video, I've tested and curated the top contenders for you. Today, you'll discover the ultimate tools to transform your content creation journey effortlessly. Not only will I introduce 3 AI tools for editing efficiency, I will also teach you how you can earn more than just ad revenue from your videos. So make sure to stick until the end of this video if you want to increase your earning potential. First up on the list is Vidyo.ai. This cool tool works wonders with your lengthy videos, slicing them into bite-sized viral clips in a flash. How does it work, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to AI magic. This clever tech analyzes your video and picks out the juiciest, most engaging moments, the stuff that usually sets the internet on fire. Plus, you can hop on board for free. Just sign up, plug in your video, and let the AI work its magic. So why not give it a try? Just hit up YouTube for some primo viral content to repurpose. Alright, let me give you an example. Say I'm looking to spice up my content with some PewDiePie magic. I could hop over to his YouTube channel, take a clip, and then toss it into this tool. It's like instant viral content. The best part about this is that you can use these snippets on TikTok, Reels, or whatever floats your boat. It might prompt you to pick some caption styles, but you can skip that for now. Just kick back, let the tool do its thing, and now you've got a whole batch of fresh, viral videos ready to go. Once you've got your batch of auto-generated shorts, it's time to dive in and check them out. Give them a click to see what the AI's whipped up for you. Pretty neat, right? But if you're feeling a bit picky, you can always tweak things to your liking. Just hit up the customization options and explore what you want to add in your videos. And here's a cool feature. Cut Magic for automatically detecting scenes in podcasts or vlog videos. Feel free to choose what kind of subtitle designs you're into. Now just click here to download your customized videos, and you're good to go. Number 2 on the list is going to be FlexClip.com. It's your one-stop shop for a bunch of cool AI tools like video scripts, generating images from text, converting text to speech or video, auto-captioning, and more. But where it really shines is in its video editing features. Perfect for all you content creators, marketers, and social media managers out there. And the best part? You can get started for free. Just sign up and dive into the world of effortless video editing. Head over to FlexClip.com and hit that Create a Video button. Then, cruise on over to the Tools section to tap into their awesome AI features. First up, let's try out the AI video script tool to whip up a short script about 3 random facts. Once you've got that, simplify it down to just the good parts. Go ahead and copy that, then head back. Now, on to text-to-speech. Take your pick of voice and make sure to choose the friendly style. Paste in your script and let it generate that voiceover. Now place that voiceover onto your timeline and stretch it out to match the length. Then, back to the tools. Let's use the AI image generator to cook up some visuals that match your sweet voiceover. But before we dive into the image creation, you'll want to give that voiceover a listen. Pick out a couple of keywords that really stand out to you and type them into the box. This tool will then generate AI images for each keyword. Click that plus icon to add each image to a new layer, perfectly synced up with the voiceover. Now let's kick things up a notch with some overlays. FlexClip has a whole bunch of them. Sprinkle a few on the clip to enhance it. Oh, and don't forget about the handy features like stock GIFs, photos, and videos. Next up, subtitles. Hit that button to add some auto AI subtitles, then bring them to the middle and play around with the font color and background to make them pop. Easy customization to take your video to the next level. Once you've put the finishing touches on your masterpiece, just hit the export button to wrap it all up and finalize the video. Hey, quick heads up. Not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Let's move on to our last AI tool for this video, DupDub.com. DupDub is your one-stop shop for all things content creation. This platform's got everything you need, from AI script writing to super customizable text-to-speech features. But what really sets it apart is its awesome AI called Talking Avatars. With this tool, you can whip up human-like videos in a matter of minutes. Now, before you dive into creating your AI-generated masterpiece, you'll need an AI image to get things rolling. My go-to? Lexica.art. It's got a massive library of AI art you can use for free, or you can even have it whip up any image you fancy. But to save time, let's just search for an AI avatar and get started. Alright, let's get you all set up on DupDub. They've got a sweet free plan loaded with handy tools like basic video editing, text-to-speech, transcription, translation, and even a video downloader. Pretty neat, right? So first things first, click on New File to hop into the built-in AI text and voice generator. It's kinda like chatting with GPT, but with a twist. Just type / and prompt it to whip up a motivational saying or quote. Next up, let's choose a voice. Click here to expand the options. DupDub's got this super advanced AI voiceover feature with loads of filters, so you can tweak the voice to fit your video perfectly. The default settings usually work great, but for this one, let's go with an adult male voice, a narrative scenario, and a hopeful style to match the wise saying vibe. Give it a listen to make sure it's just the right fit. Hit that export the audio file. Now, let's head back and click on Talking Photo to piece together the video. Upload your cropped square AI image and toss in the voiceover you just whipped up. While the video's cooking up, I'll let you in on a little secret. They've got a slick mobile app for all this stuff, so you can do it right from your phone. And there you have it, your very own AI-generated talking head video. As always, all the links you need are ready for you in the description for your convenience. If you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Now that I've covered the 3 AI editing tools to generate your viral videos, let's talk about how you can earn way more passive income than just the ad revenue you get from your uploads. Let's say you've already got a page that's blown up with subscribers and views. Sure, you're earning online income for every 1,000 views on YouTube, right? But don't just settle for the minimum. You can amplify your passive income by experimenting in the world of affiliate marketing, which is a strat that I love to talk about in my videos. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. So to get started, head over to Google and type in your niche followed by affiliate programs or affiliate networks. For example, if you're into gaming like me, you'd search for gaming affiliate programs. You'll see a bunch of options pop up. Simply click on one of the top links, sign up for the affiliate program, and you're good to go. And here's the good thing about this, you're not limited to just one program. Feel free to sign up for multiple networks and promote a variety of products within your niche. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you can follow the Google method I mentioned earlier, or you can just head over to impact.com and create an account. They offer a diverse range of products spanning different niches, both physical and digital, so there's something for everyone to promote regardless of your niche. Another platform you might want to explore is PartnerStack. It's quite similar to Impact, but it's more tailored towards software-based programs. If you're interested in earning recurring income, PartnerStack is the way to go. Signing up is simple and completely free. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you like the most and how you feel about affiliate marketing. If you want to dive into more content about affiliate marketing and AI hacks, check out my video revealing the secret AI business that can earn you up to $1,000 in a single day. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning!